Hello kids, welcome to Penpencil. Hope you are all doing great. Today we are going to learn O sound words. O sound words. Okay, let us learn. Okay kids.
Before that, if you are new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe. Also hit on bell icon to get notifications for new videos.
Come on, let us start. O-B, ob. B-O-B, bob. B-O-B, bob. These are all O sound, vowel sound, O vowel sound in the middle. Okay? R-O-B, rob. R-O-B, rob. J-O-B, job. J-O-B, job. O-D, odd. R-O-D, rod. R-O-D, rod. N-O-D, nod. N-O-D, nod. Odd. O-G, og. D-O-G, dog. D-O-G, dog. F-O-G, fog. F-O-G, fog. J-O-G, jog. J-O-G, jog. L-O-G, log. L-O-G, log. O-P, M-O-P, mop. M-O-P, mop. T-O-P, top. T-O-P, top. H-O-P, hop. H-O-P, hop. O-T, P-O-T, pot. P-O-T, pot. C-O-T, cot. C-O-T, cot. D-O-T, dot. D-O-T, dot. H-O-T, hot. H-O-T, hot. O-X sound words. B-O-X, box. B-O-X, box. B-O-X, box. F-O-X, fox. F-O-X, fox.
Okay kids, have you understood? Now you have to repeat them once again so that you can learn easily. Okay kids, you have to repeat all the O sound words so that you will be familiar with the phonic sounds, that is vowel sounds. Okay. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Also hit on bell icon to get notifications for new videos. Thank you for watching this video kids. Bye bye. If you like this video, please like, share and comment. Also subscribe our channel and hit on bell icon to get notifications for new videos.